PEC Education is one of the leading institutions that cover the curriculum of PTE online and also on campus along with mock tests. Today we'll practice read aloud section for PTE. Let's jump right in. When governments do not or cannot provide the financial support needed to improve the country's hospitals and schools, citizens themselves may decide to raise the necessary funds through community events. The hard work of individuals can help bring essential services to local communities, but such projects should be in addition to, not instead of government spending. Selecting the right degree is an important decision, and it's natural to consider how particular subjects affect future career opportunities. While business courses are obviously popular choices, creative subjects like literature or philosophy can be just as useful. Such courses encourage creative thinking skills, and companies value employees who can solve problems by looking at issues from different sides.
This research study investigates the effects of different types of music on wild monkeys. The aim of the study is to examine changes in monkey behavior when exposed to music, particularly in terms of social interaction levels. This paper reports several findings and identifies potential applications for the animal conservation sector. As a new student at the university, you will receive a campus card when you enroll. It is important that you always carry this card with you when you're on the campus because it is proof of your identity. You will also need it to borrow books from the library, access certain buildings, and pay for items in the cafeteria. It makes sense for experts in a subject to work together in the same place. Universities are therefore organized into various departments. However, global problems are often extremely complicated, and specialists from different areas should work together to solve them. In this article, it is argued that economists and scientists benefit if they combine their skills on shared research projects. Traditionally, scientific research has been undertaken by universities, government laboratories, or companies in their research and development departments. Recently, however, professional scientists have sometimes asked ordinary members of the public to help them, especially when they need to collect a huge amount of data and cannot manage to do this on their own. Such activity is known as citizen science. This report provides an overview of consumer trends in global agricultural markets. It is subdivided into chapters covering the arable, dairy, and meat market sectors. For each sector, the drivers underlying consumer trends are analyzed. The most notable of these are the increasing demand for organic products and heightened public concern regarding environmental issues such as food system emissions. Your thesis must be formatted and bound correctly before submission for assessment, and this guidance document specifies how this should be done. It is extremely important that these stipulations are accurately followed. Failure to do so will result in the thesis being returned to you for amendment. You will only be eligible to graduate once these conditions are met. Artificial intelligence has advanced dramatically as a field of study since the early days of slow and cumbersome computers. It can now be regarded as a mature discipline. Unsurprisingly, many authors have aspired to produce the standard textbook on the subject. Here we review a worthy contender for that title whose second edition has just been published. The purpose of this paper is to make company owners and managers aware of the impact of accounting software on business performance. Crucial to any company's success is the availability of the very latest accurate accounting information. Dealing with the challenging nature of market uncertainty and the tendency towards increased economic globalization places new demands on accounting information systems.